In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix stick drift on Oculus Quest 2. So the first thing and the first fix would be to simply try resetting your Oculus Quest 2 controller. And you can do this by removing the battery from your controller and waiting a few minutes before reinserting the battery. Alternatively, you can of course also put in a different or a new battery, which could also help. Now, if needed, after that's done, pair the controller with your headset yet again. If that didn't work, you can try first cleaning the controller. So dirt, dust, or debris around the controller's thumbsticks can cause drifting, okay? And a gentle cleaning can often resolve this issue. So for this, you'll have to turn off the controller and use a dry microfiber. Now, once I say turn off, you can also put out the battery just in case, okay? Then you can use a dry microfiber cloth to clean around the thumbsticks gently. Now, for stubborn grime, you can slightly, okay, just a little, take the cloth and slightly put it into a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water, which the official creators of Oculus Quest actually recommend. But be careful not to let any liquid seep into the controller. So make sure this cloth isn't too wet, okay? So just make sure just a little so you can basically clean it around with no spilling and no leaking inside the controller itself, because this can cause harm and damage that could be irreversible. So if even that didn't work, what you can try is ultimately recalibrating the Quest controllers. And you can do this by opening the Meta Quest app, and then you want to tap on Devices and select your Oculus Quest, and then you want to select Controller, Calibrate Controller, and then you want to follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate your controller. So that's pretty much it. Those are the 3 tips to help you fix stick drift on Oculus Quest 2. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.